Removing the rear lights and rear bumper on the Citroen DS3. To change the bulbs and also removing the bumper, we need to remove the light assemblies completely. Remove these covers here, push down, and then we've got this undo anti-clockwise. If it's really tight, there is actually a T40 Torx in the centre. Now you can remove the electrical connector . These clips here are why it's better to have the light fittings removed, as you'll need to press these down once we've got the edges and the underneath detached. So we'll start underneath. And we've got 2 trim clips on each corner and another 2 in the centre. The final fixing that we've got is a 10mm bolt on the inside of each wing. I should be able to get to this with a ratchet and socket just by pulling back this wheel arch liner. So the bolt goes this way. Now the bumper is just clipped into place here, so you can pull it out on both sides. Now press these down. Same on the other side. And now you'll just need to watch the wiring for the number plate lights, which is going to the centre from the right hand side.